Today we'll learn about how modern CNC machines convert rotational motion into linear motion. Let's explore the different mechanisms used and see why ball screws are the preferred choice. There are several common mechanisms used to convert rotational motion to linear motion: lead screws, ball screws, worm gears, power screws, and rack and pinion systems. Let's focus on ball screws, which are the preferred choice in modern CNC machines. A ball screw consists of a precision ground screw shaft with specially designed helical grooves and a nut containing recirculating ball bearings. As the screw shaft rotates, the balls roll between the shaft and nut grooves, converting the rotational motion into smooth linear motion with very little friction. Ball screws offer several key advantages: high efficiency, typically 90% or greater; excellent positioning accuracy; very low friction, which reduces wear and extends lifespan; and minimal backlash for precise control. For these reasons, ball screws are the preferred choice in modern CNC machines where precision, efficiency, and reliability are crucial.